In the last few days, there have been 2 fatal crashes near the intersection of El Campo Road and Highway 101 south of Arroyo Grande. KSBY's Kelsey McFarland talked with drivers who say it's been a problem intersection for a long time. She joins us now live near Arroyo Grande. Kelsey?
Richard, just this morning, a motorcyclist collided with a deer just north of the El Campo intersection. CHP tells me that particular crash had nothing to do with the difficulty of the intersection. However, Sunday's crash has drivers asking if improvements will be made to this stretch of the road. On Sunday, a motorcyclist died after he collided with a BMW near the El Campo Road intersection. CHP says the driver of the sedan made an unsafe left turn in front of the teen. Tuesday morning, another motorcyclist died after he struck a deer just north of the El Campo intersection. By Tuesday afternoon, another non-injury crash was reported in the same area. Just off of El Campo Road, employees at Quality Wine Barrel say it's just the latest in what's become a common occurrence.
From our building up top here, you can actually hear the accidents when somebody's crossing over, especially when they cross over from the opposite side of El Campo to go northbound. It happens quite a bit.
Sometimes employees get involved, helping crash victims get to safety.
Especially since we're right here, we almost take it as a part of the job to help.
The intersection has become notoriously dangerous.
It's terrifying. It's absolutely terrifying.
They have to really catch up to the oncoming freeway speeds. So most of the time what I do is I merge onto the slow lane to try to give them that extra space.
It's scary crossing over when the southbound traffic is coming through.
Those who take the route daily say they use detours to avoid that stretch on the highway, but would like to see improvements so that they don't have to.
Maybe putting some hazard lights, yellow lights that flash, letting the freeway drivers know that there is an intersection.
I asked Caltrans if they are considering making improvements to this intersection. A spokesman says they are working with their partners to consider some solutions. Live and local outside of Arroyo Grande, Kelsey McFarland, KSBY News. All
right, Kelsey, thank you. Investigators are identifying the motorcyclist who was killed Sunday as 18-year-old Jordan Grant of Plano, Texas. Grant was a first-year computer engineering student at Cal Poly. The university is planning a memorial for him tomorrow at 5 p.m. in the University Union Plaza. This afternoon, the CHP identified the motorcyclist who died today as 49-year-old Johnny Dale Trujillo of Los Osos.